Greetings to all from London. On behalf of the international team of the multilingual magazine Art Media, I would like to invite you to a creative evening with the poet, artist and songwriter Neringa Blingaitė on May 10 at the Lithuanian Embassy in London. On the pages of our magazine, artmediainternational.org, you will be able to read her book, and on our channel you can listen to fragments of her songs.
Nežinai, kas tai sniegas, nežinai, kas tai lietus, bet nežinojau, kad tu nežinai, kas tai pievos, nežinai, kas tai bičių medus. Nežinojau, kad tu nežinai, kas tai sniegas, nežinai, kas tai bičių medus.